Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design video blog. We just finished a redo. We had vertical blinds, and if you look at the blog post you're going to see the verticals that we took down, and then there were skylights, so we did two separate treatments here. So if you look, you're going to see on these windows here, the lower ones, we did screen shades, and screen shades give you the ability to see through them. And then just to give you an idea of the difference in the glare and how dark they are, because once the camera's on it's hard to tell. These are a 4% shade, so it's blocking 96% of the damaging light, but you still get a nice view. Now for the top, what we did is a skylight shade, but the thing that we did that was different on this is we used the Norman portrait shades with Smart Fit. So you could see here we've got a handle, and we just grab that handle and move it to where we want, and then you'll notice here, actually there's a cobweb there, in this corner, we built this frame to go completely around, and it matches the wood almost perfectly. So that is a great solution when you're trying to do a skylight. It gives it structure, and they're very reasonably priced as well. So when you're doing your window treatments, make sure you consider all the options. The client is really happy at the openness, the ability to see out during the daytime, and she was warned that at night people might be able to see in, but this is not a common area of the house, so or actually it is a common area, so privacy is not really that needed here. But when you're doing these shades, make sure that you consider all the options, and we thank you for watching the Kempler Design video blog.
Yeah, it looks great. It looks really, really good.
Did it not stop? It's still recording.